Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you the new server state function in the XPression Maps HTML5 plugin. So here I have in the XPression Maps plugin, and this is kind of what you're used to seeing, although you'd normally see Inception going along with it. If you look in the top right corner, there's a pull-down menu. And right now, as an individual user, I'm going to see my account and the ability to log out. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. I'm going to log in as my administrator. So I'm going to choose that, and again, the admin password is hidden from us. You want to find out what it is, you need to check your documentation, or you can reach out to Ross Video Tech Support. So I'm going to click on Login, and what I want you to notice when I come under the Administrator tab, there's a whole bunch more things here. It allows me to manage users and attributes, which we've talked about before, which includes our web user groups and our touch for XPression Maps touch users. But there's a new choice in here called Server State. When I click on Server State, that's going to show me the status of my XPression Maps server. And you can see right now, it's telling me that when I click on it, I see the information. It's going to be in the name of the server. It's going to give me what I'm calling it. If it's got an ID, it's going to tell me whether it's active or not. It's going to tell me how many users are loaded on it and whether it's got editing slots and clip slots. And what this is, again, this is somebody who's currently working. This is somebody who's currently created a map and is waiting for it to render. So let's see what happens when another user goes and logs in. You'll see them pop up in here inside the user setting. If I go ahead and click on that and choose that, or to choose refresh, I can now see that another user has logged in and they're building a map. So this will stack up until there's 10 concurrent users. And in this system, that's the way that this is going to work. And I can see that status here, and it's telling me I've got edit slots that are available, and I'm not doing any rendering. But if this was what they were going to be doing, I might see this differently. So if I go ahead and ask that user to work on something different, and they're going to call up a map that they've already made once, and then they're going to go ahead and they're going to ask to save that map and render it. That will now change the way that this works. So now what you'll see is they're rendering something. One of my render slots should probably be taken away, and it flashed and went away. So this is one of the things you get now with the server state, and this is a user login for the XPression Maps HTML5 client. And again, I'm logged in as an administrator, and you should have that information from when your system was commissioned, and your administrator will have that information. And if they don't, they need to reach out to Ross Video Tech Support to get a little help with that.